Everybody, this is CR number 3, multiple choice question number 4, helper video. So I have a negative 28 minus a negative 46. First thing I have to do is this. I have to look at this right here. This minus sign or subtraction sign really means that I need to find the difference between negative 28 negative 128 and negative 46 on the number line. If I'm going to find the difference between those two things, I have to change both of these signs to a positive. By changing that to a positive, it will give me the difference between those two values. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to start with a negative 128. And remember, Mrs. Van Dyke and I call those the bad guys. Then I have a positive 46. Well, those are good guys. So the first thing I want you to ask yourself is, do I have more negatives or more positives? I'm assuming you're telling me you have more negatives because I have 128 negatives and only 46 positives. So my answer has to remain negative. But if I have 128 bad guys and 46 good guys, how many more bad guys do I have? Well, we already know they're going to win the fight, but by how much? Well, I'm going to subtract these two values to see how many more bad guys I have than good. So 128 minus 46 is a lovely 82. And we already said we had more negatives, so the value is a negative 82, which is answer B on this one. Good luck with question 4.